Sorry, I was on mute. I was saying I know I should do all of this before the stream, but I was having dinner, so it is what it is. Anyway, last part is the song, which is pretty frustrating because I have to change it every time. Okay. Hopefully, you guys can hear the music. Also, I will also change that music in upcoming days, maybe. But let me see. Cool. Everything is up and running. Okay. Everything is up and running. Let's start with where we were yesterday. Polymarket subgraph, and we worked on negative risk and almost completed everything. No, we did complete everything, not almost. Let me go to readme and see the tasks. Here we do have this one, conditional token get. Okay, let's tackle that instead of putting that on back burner. Back burner, conditional tokens, and this is the part, right? Outcome, position ID. If we go to, I guess, common utils, get position ID. No, get position ID, and here it says CFT utils, CFT utils, and okay, and here we want to, okay, this should be collapsible, compute position ID, compute collection ID, this, and compute position. Okay, this is a nightmare for us. Don't even worry about it. Nightmare for me specifically, not you guys. Maybe you guys are good at this, but I don't like this part. It gets bite. Give me a second. Okay, that I just wanted to drink some water. Now it should be good enough. Like my voice should be clear. Anyway, next we need to work on this. Okay, now I'm going to put that on back burner. I just want to find to do subgraph.mdc. No, this one. Implement external call. Okay, can we get like a what do we get here? Okay, there are few things. Collateral token, it's fetch calls that we have on to do. Implement fetch call, that is related task. This is our compute position ID task, and this is just understand use of global TC entity used in Polymarket. Okay, I will just copy that and add it to readme. Remove hard coded. Okay, wallet.ts, no, usdc.ts, that's the file name. Okay, cool. No, we are not touching this again. Maybe I should change my idea. Utils, new file, cft utils.ts. Okay, so what, let's start with functions. Const add mod p, a big int comma b big int, also hide this. Okay, it should return big int. Next, a plus, no, okay, p is constant, so we can do a plus b and mod is 5. Okay, mod p. Okay, why this is, okay, cool. Now let's copy this part. This is just a static string, we won't be able to, it won't change. So const p equal to big int, I'll do string, that's much better. This is, we done this part. uh, it might be overkill, but I know you don't really have to do that for each, but it's much better in the long run when I need to come back to this and it doesn't. Okay, sorry about that. I was saying adding references to everything is overkill, but it's much better. Just you can do much more with that. Okay. Okay, cool. We were here. We'll do return into be modulo p, and again take the reference, copy permalink. Much better to have documentation than not having it. So where this b is used. Okay, it's used somewhere. We'll do const pow mod p, do this, and dummy return 0n. Now we'll just follow everything as it is. Hmm. And I just copy this, and okay, no, let's not copy this, and we will not use ChatGPT. Let b t equal to b. Again, one thing, I don't know what they're doing. I'm just following it's one to one. Okay, I don't even know if how to do this bit and let result equal to 1n. Okay, what happens if, okay, no, I think I need some help. Do I have access to, no, bt is 0 equal to false. I'm just gonna do the same. bt, okay, that works. Next, if, how, let me know, bit and begin javascript. Okay, it's AND operator which does bitwise AND operation. If bt and 1n is equals to 0n equals to false. Okay, what is this? Okay, oh, okay, that should work. Cool. Here we'll do result equal to mod p great. We'll do this part and then I know this is correct, but I still want to check. Right shift, right? Okay. Bitwise right shift operator JS. Okay. BT equal to BT. What are they doing? 1. Okay. This part is correct. Now we'll do result, remove this part, and okay, that worked. We completed this part. Okay, let's have one more const b equal to big int 3. What is value of this? It's small big int. Okay, this is good enough. Also, if you guys can't hear me correctly, just let me know, because it is important to have so it's just, if you can't hear me, let me know. I don't, const, where are they using this part? Okay, they are using it somewhere, so we are going to use legend legendary symbol. Okay, symbol equal to a big int, big int. Okay, power modulo a, then I'll do p minus 1. Also put this inside this, and then do right shift 1n. Okay, this is good enough. Next we need to do this part and bytes. Okay, this is something new. Condition id, hash payload first. Okay, here I definitely need help from ChatGPT. Compute collection id equal to, now I want to do condition id. Have you used bytes anywhere? Bytes. I do remember we used it somewhere, but in which file I don't remember. That's the part. Okay, VM. Okay, there is some. I guess we should just use. I'll ask ChatGPT one by one. Convert this to use VM. I'm not going to ask the whole thing. I'm not going to ask for the whole thing. Instead, I'll do it one by one. Condition ID is string, not bytes. But it is 0x string. It is 0x string. So we should be able to. I just want to check. Okay, so we are going to use this this part, right? Condition ID. So in that case, we'll check what that condition ID is, like the type. I think there should be a way to, let's just use condition ID. It will be string, then outcome index will be number, and will return string. Let me do return empty string. Next, what's next? Okay, we're going to const hash payload equal to concat hex. No, not this. Condition ID pad. Okay, pad hex. We'll do 0x 0x and okay, sorry about that. Size will be 32. We have error here. Okay, can we do it? Okay, that should be okay. I haven't seen that, so we have done this part. Next, hash payload. Okay, we are putting all these like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines into 4. Hash payload to bytes, then left shift, one left shift. Okay, and then kekak hash. That's the idea. Can I just use this here and say 2 bytes? Okay, next is hash payload 63 equal to 1 left shift outcome index, and then we'll do const hash result equal to kcalc 256 hash payload. We are at this point. As I said, we still need support from ChatGPT right now, but I'm doing one by one just to understand what's happening. Does hash result has okay, there is no reverse on it on this. Const hash result reverse equal to 2 bytes hash result dot reverse. We have that. Then we did the reverse part from unsigned bytes. Okay. Const hash big int equal to big int from no there is no big int from unsigned bytes. That's just not there. 2 bytes to hex. Okay, so what it's saying is bytes to hex. Use this function and put this in. Okay, that's great. I did give this. Okay, then const we do 255 right shift equal to false. Okay, odd 255 no hash big int right shift 255. What's happening? Okay, we can't right shift a big int. That's what it is trying to say. Or okay, we can't do right shift on 255 big int 255 number and 255 big int. That's the difference. We can do right shift. Okay, equals to 0 and equals to false. I'm just going to follow their logic. instead of coming up with my own. Hash big int, let yy equal to 0n. Okay, now this part is okay. I don't think that there is any weird part. We just have to follow what we have been doing till now. Okay, now do x1 y1 equal to, okay, I guess this already knows. Okay, the AI already knows what we want, assuming it's doing the same thing again and again. So yeah, const odd toggle equal to odd toggle equal to 1n left shift 255n. Then we will do odd. Hey, hi. I don't know who is watching on YouTube. Just drop a hi in the comments. Okay. Next, if x1 and odd toggle equals to 0, execute this part. What's happening? Okay, x1 equal to x1 plus odd toggle, else x1 equal to x1 minus odd toggle. Also, do not ask me what this thing means. 2 hex string. Okay, so x1 hex equal to 2 hex. Okay, it does take big int. We'll pass x1. Add with zeros. Convert this to VM. Now we just need to convert hex to bytes and we are good to go. Okay, what is this 0x string? Okay, this is good enough. It's used compute collection ID. Okay, so it's used here, and this function compute position ID from collection ID it will take string instead of collection ID, instead of bytes. Const compute position ID from collection ID equal to okay, here I'll do collateral string collection ID string or let's be particular 0x string. Convert this to also collateral, we are taking it from this. Do we have collateral in? Let me check. Okay, there is no collateral. Where are we getting that from? Sorry. Get position ID CTF utils 1 2 3. Collateral is the first. So okay, condition ID. Why they are saying collateral then? Oh, sorry. It's here. This part bytes. This is correct. Outcome index. This is okay. Negative risk. Wrapped collateral. Understood. We are still in utility function. We are building we are writing a utility function for a utility function. So we are still like 1 degree, one function before get position ID. We are not even there right now in this. Okay, understood. What was the issue? Close this, close this, close this, close this. Open this. Go here. We'll take 52 byte array. First 20. Okay. I want 52 byte value and I want to, okay, no, just copy this, convert this to VM, and it should show us something. Oh, okay. So what ChatGPT suggested was do 20 bytes, do 32, and then concatenate them. Okay, that we can do definitely. Const hash payload equal to concat hex pad hex. Also, ChatGPT is not suggesting me this. I'm just doing. Um, I'm just combining multiple things into one. Pad hex collection ID. Okay. Zero string. Const hash equal to kcalc 256 hash payload. That works. Next we need to do bytes, 2 bytes reverse, and then the result. Okay. Const bytes reversed equal to bytes. Okay. Then do return of big int bytes to hex bytes reversed. Good enough. So we put all this into this part. Final part is const compute position id equal to collateral zero string number. We do take number, right? Yes, we do take number. Okay, not ideal. Let me do this like function, like do this like a regular function, not this. So I can, no, I still can't. Okay, anyway, we'll continue with our thing, which is const collection id equal to compute collection id, which takes condition id and outcome index. And collection id, what's the issue here? Okay, so go here and say zero x string. I'll also change that here, zero x string. Okay, everything is good to go. And I need to export compute position id and compute collection id, both, as they are doing here. Let me do multiple. We have to add multiple references here, right? Compute. Copy. Let's compute collection ID. Compute collection ID. Next is this part. And last is this. Okay, now we will do get position id dot ts. Go to position id. We need constants. Constant. Let me check. Contracts, negative risk, wrapped collateral. Networks dot YAML. This should have that particular. Okay, no. This address. Do we have that in the? Okay, we don't have it in here. Okay, we don't have it in config, so for now I'll just copy paste it. That's the best idea I can come up with. Const a equal to, okay, don't do a equal to. I will change the name. Compute position ID bytes. We do have access to. Can we do indexer? Indexer generated. Okay, we have access to indexer. We'll do const get position ID equal to condition ID 0x string outcome index number and negative risk boolean. Return big int. Also for all of these we do need tests, otherwise it will create some issues. Collateral. Okay, this is great. Why this 0x string or okay, I guess this part says can we do okay, no, okay, yeah, now we just need to do import that. Excellent. With this we have completed our task. We just need to implement it. So let's open conditional token. I want to check in the schema if we have position. I think we should have that. Okay, we don't have that. We have that here. Okay, yes, we do have that. Position conditional. Okay, I guess we never actually used it. Okay, there is no position, so I will copy this. Copy, go here. Position string outcome begin. Okay, everything seems fine. Okay, we'll do const position, no, position id equal to get position id. Condition id, we have that. Next we'll do outcome index, or I in our case, and then negative risk. Okay, as zero string. Excellent. If okay, const position position equal to await context dot get position id. Okay, we need to do pnpm code gen because we updated our schema. Now we should have access to this. Okay, position id is begin not string. Okay, this is actually weird. To string, I guess it is what it is. Position equal to undefined, then set it. Context dot set. Okay, this completes our task for today. Let me update this. Create tests or write tests for utility utility functions like get position ID or compute wallet proxy wallet address. Okay, with this, I don't know if we have completed the activity subgraph. So I am going to wait for this. If we complete, if we see that it is completed when we check tomorrow, if that subgraph is completed, we'll work on fee module. Okay, before I close the stream, let me update it on GitHub. Get position ID function added. Activity okay, I'll just those comment messages are for my understanding and I understand what I wrote. Get push okay, with this we should be done. Cool. Before we go, as always, don't forget to visit nvo.dev if you want to learn more about NVO. If you want to check out my Twitter account, okay, no, x.com. This is my Twitter. If you have any questions about NVO or any feedback on my streams, do DM me here. My DMs are open. If you want to talk about NVO or try out NVO, just go to the website. If you have any questions, make sure to join the Discord. I'm always answering your questions, answering everyone's question, or one of the team members will be there. So just keep that in mind and join it. Also, don't forget to star the HyperIndex repo. Let me show you. HyperIndex. This repo. Just give it a star. Give a star. Okay, that's great. Yeah, that's about it. And hopefully, you will join me tomorrow for the same topic. Basically, exploring migrating the Polymarket indexer to HyperIndex framework and learning more about Polymarket. So, thanks for joining and have a nice day. Bye.